2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, MP3 player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.